Bayside Skyride, guys. Let's go get some Von Roll action. Love myself a Skyride. Skyride. It says entry is $6, but if you guys have a season pass or a Busch Gardens Williamsburg Platinum Pass like I do, it's free. So let's go Von Roll it.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that POV of the Von Roll Skyride, Bayside Skyride here at SeaWorld San Diego. So please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, as you never know what other Skyrides I might film for you. Maybe I'll do the Skyride at Cedar Point, maybe I'll do the Skyride at California's Great America, or you know what, maybe we'll just do the Skyride at Busch Gardens, Tampa. Either way, you never know, and you can never go wrong with a Skyride, especially an OG Von Roll awesomeness. So with that said guys, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Love you all.